Kuraray, a leading Japanese performance chemicals manufacturer, aiming to create world-leading, one-of-a-kind product through pioneer and unique technology. Kuraray has wide range of products line such as vinyl acetate, isoprene, fiber, functional materials, new business and others which have been contributing to the various industrial segments. Kuraray has long experience in research and development by strong collaboration with external organizations that will enable a swift response to diversifying customer needs. PTT Global Chemical Public Company Limited or GC, a chemical flagship of PTT Group, has a vision to be a leading chemical company for better living. As Thailand's largest and ASEAN's leading integrated petrochemical and refining company, our strategic way to success is to ensure highly integrated operation from upstream to downstream. Also aims to add value throughout the business value chain and meet the diversity of both industries and consumers. Sumitomo Corporation is an integrated trading and business investment company which provides a variety of products and services from multiple perspectives based on our global network. The company consisted of 6 business units: metal products, transportation and construction systems, infrastructure, media and ICT, living-related and real estate, mineral resources, energy, chemical and electronics. Kuraray has a long and successful history of technology advancements and innovating for growth. GC has a strong commitment to diversify our product portfolio toward performance chemicals by leveraging its existing products throughout the business value chain. Sumitomo Corporation has a global business network of specialty chemicals. Combining the respective strength of our 3 companies will open up new opportunities in high-growth global markets, such as the automotive, electrical and electronics, home appliances and household products. This joint venture partnership will also make a major contribution to the development of the Eastern Economic Corridor or EEC, a magnet for investment of innovation that is a key contributor to the country's long-term development. In September 2016, Kuraray, GC and Sumitomo Corporation have signed a head-of agreement for a joint study of the investment in polyamide-9T and hydrogenated styrenic block Co-Polymers business in Thailand. Over the past 2 years, 3 parties performed joint collaborative effort for engineering design, research and development, and market activity in automotive, electrical and electronics, home appliances and household products. After the successful completion of joint collaborative study, 3 parties have reached the agreement to establish the new joint venture company, namely Kuraray GC Advanced Materials Company Limited. The company will manufacture 13,000 tons of polyamide-9T and 16,000 tons of hydrogenated styrenic block Co-Polymers. The plant will be located in Hemarat Eastern Industrial Estate, Mataput, Rayong Province, under Thailand's Eastern Economic Corridor. The commercial operation date is expected to be after 2021. Kuraray will provide technology know-how to fulfill customer requirement. GC will supply butadiene, a key feedstock for producing polyamide-9T and hydrogenated styrenic block Co-Polymers, while Sumitomo Corporation will leverage its global market network and long-time expertise to enhance the benefits of the project. The combined strength of the 3 joint venture partners will contribute greatly to Kuraray GC Advanced Materials' long-term success.
Three, 2, 1.
Sawadika, Konnichiwa. Good afternoon, executives, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Simpi Pragalpi, and I'll be guiding you through the event today. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of Kuraray GC Advanced Materials Company Limited. I am humbly honored to be by the presence of distinguished guests on this historic occasion. Before we start our first agenda, I would like to request your attention to the screen for a corporate video to introduce Kuraray GC.
Kuraray, a leading Japanese performance chemicals manufacturer, aiming to create world-leading, one-of-a-kind product through pioneer and unique technology. Kuraray has a wide range of products line, such as vinyl acetate, isoprene, fiber, functional materials, new business and others, which have been contributing to the various industry segments. Kuraray has long experience in research and development by strong collaboration with external organizations that will enable a swift response to diversifying customer needs. PTT Global Chemical Public Company Limited, or GC, a chemical flagship of PTT Group, has a vision to be a leading chemical company for better living. As Thailand's largest and ASEAN's leading integrated petrochemical and refining company, our strategic way to success is to ensure highly integrated operation from upstream to downstream, also aim to add value throughout the business value chain and meet the diversity of both industries and consumers. Sumitomo Corporation is an integrated trading and business investment company which provides a variety of products and services from multiple perspectives based on our global network. The company consisted of 6 business units: metal products, transportation and construction systems, infrastructure, media and ICT, living-related and real estate, mineral resources, energy, chemical and electronics. Kuraray has a long and successful history of technology advancements and innovating for growth. GC has a strong commitment to diversify our product portfolio toward performance chemicals by leveraging its existing products throughout the business value chain. Sumitomo Corporation has a global business network of specialty chemicals. Combining the respective strength of our 3 companies will open up new opportunities in high-growth global markets, such as the automotive, electrical and electronics, home appliances and household products. This joint venture partnership will also make a major contribution to the development of the Eastern Economic Corridor, or EEC, a magnet for investment of innovation that is a key contributor to the country's long-term development. In September 2016, Kuraray, GC, and Sumitomo Corporation have signed a head of agreement for a joint study of the investment in Polyamide-9T and Hydrogenated Styrenic Block Co-Polymers business in Thailand. Over the past 2 years, 3 parties performed joint collaborated effort for engineering design, research and development, and market activity. In automotive, electrical and electronics, home appliances and household products. After the successful completion of joint collaborative study, 3 parties have reached the agreement to establish the new joint venture company, namely Kuraray GC Advanced Materials Company Limited. The company will manufacture 13,000 tons of polyamide-9T and 16,000 tons of hydrogenated styrenic block co-polymers. The plant will be located in Hirarat Eastern Industrial Estate, Mataput, Rangon Province, under Thailand's Eastern Economic Corridor. The commercial operation date is expected to be after 2021. Kuraray will provide technology know-how to fulfill customer requirements. GC will supply butadiene, a key feedstock for producing polyamide-9T and hydrogenated styrenic block Co-Polymers, while Sumitomo Corporation will leverage its global market network and long-time expertise to enhance the benefits of the project. The combined strength of the three joint venture partners will contribute greatly to Kuraray GC Advanced Materials' long-term success.
First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks as Kuraray's president to all of you for being with us for the opening of Kuraray GC Advanced Materials Products Limited, the joint venture established by Kuraray, PTT Global Chemical Company Limited, and Sumitomo Corporation. It is our pleasure to operate the company with GC, which is diversified and wide range petrochemical businesses, including manufacturing and distribution of upstream, intermediate, and downstream petrochemical products, and Sumitomo Corporation, which is a global trading company and has strong business ground in Thailand and Southeast Asia. Let me explain about Kuraray. Kuraray was founded in 1926 in Japan, aiming to industrialize rayon fiber, which was a cutting-edge technology at that time. In 1950, as Japan's first domestic producer of synthetic fiber based on original Japanese technologies, Kuraray became a world leader in the commercialization of PVOH fiber, ushering in Japan's pioneering era in the synthetic fiber industry. This was followed in 1958 by the successful marketing of PVOH resin, which was a raw material of PVOH fiber. Since then, Kuraray has been engaging in a broad array of unique businesses, such as PVOH film, which is essential for LCDs, EVOH resin, which features excellent gas barrier properties, and a lineup of synthetic isoprene chemical products. As a result, the proprietary products that boost top share in their market compose 50% of the net sales, as well as approximately 65% of outside Japan sales, which continuing global growth. The joint venture company is planning to commercialize high-heat resistant polyamide-9T, PA9T, and hydrogenated synthetic thermoplastic elastomer, HSBC. Both products are the key products of isoprene chemical products in Kuraray. PA9T is a high-performance polyamide developed from raw material monomer by Kuraray, and is increasingly adapted for electronic parts and automotive applications. HSBC is also a synthetic elastomer developed by Kuraray original technology, and it is adapted in a wide range of fields, such as automobiles, home applications, home appliances, sporting goods, and so on. Both products have high performance and quality and are highly praised by many customers. Combined with market expansion, the businesses continue to grow. Our customer plant in Japan, which produces both products, and Houston plant in the United States, which produces HSBC, are expected to reach full operation around 2020. We have investigated to establish new plants in order to expand their production capacity at some locations. As a result, we reached the conclusion that building new plants in Thailand with GC and Sumitomo Corporation is the best way. In addition, we are planning to produce 3-methyl-1,5-pentane diol (NPD), one of the isoprene derivatives which are used for high-performance urethane. This production facility will also be built in the same location as the production facility for PA90 and HSBC. We will establish a fully owned subsidiary for the manufacturing and the sales of the MPD. This project in Thailand will be very meaningful that we are able to expand production capacity along with keeping competitiveness for the future business growth. In addition, the significance of the joint venture is the synergy of combination and strengths such as Kuraray's production technology, sales and marketing, GC's supplyability of raw material and utility and branding, and Sumitomo Corporation's global marketing channel. I expect that the synergy will further drive growth. I also hope that this business will contribute to the growth and development of Thailand and Southeast Asia. Finally, the construction work will begin very soon. We will comply with Kuraray's guiding principle. Safety is a cornerstone everything we do. And we are willing to work together with everyone to be able to start the commercial operation safely. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you very much.
Dear Honorable Business Partner, Masaaki Ito, President of Kuraray, Masahiro Fujita, Representative Director, Executive Vice President of Sumitomo Corporation. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to say konnichiwa. I'm delighted to celebrate the opening ceremony of the joint venture company between Kuraray, PTT Global Chemical, and Sumitomo Corporation. We named this company Kuraray GC Advanced Materials. It has been a long journey to achieve this joint venture. Over the past 3 years, our team is working very hard, working harmoniously together, just like the way we name our project, we call it Harmony. And we have to put every effort from every party, and I have to thank every team member that we make it happen today. To reach this success, each company, we combine the respective strengths. PTTGC, we are the largest petrochemical in ASEAN. We provide a competitive fuel feedstock for the project. But most importantly, we will commit ourselves to be a friendly, professional, and a trustworthy host for our partner. Kuraray has a strong, successful history of developing advanced technology. The beauty and the strength of Kuraray, you are the one and the only PA90 proprietary technology owner in the world. And we also have Sumitomo, have a strong and extensive business network for specialty chemicals. It's proof of success of working together that why we happen today. I believe that with this strong combination of those strengths, we will make the project success. So at this moment, we are ready to open up the new opportunity in the high growth global markets such as automotive industry, electrical and electronic sector. Our joint venture is very important, will be a key step of the Eastern Economic Corridor, the new chapter of the Thailand Economic Development Program. This is the first project, strategic project that formed as part of this project. I have to thank everyone. I have to thank partner team who make it happen. That is very important for Thailand the EEC project will be a new chapter of the Thailand economic program. I wish Kuraray TC Advanced Material all the best in endeavor. Thank you for your presence and in here in the afternoon. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.
30 football kids have been rescued from the cave. And with such a very pleasant news, I'm very happy to make some speech here. Firstly, I would like to thank every member of the Thai and the Japanese media for joining us today at this opening ceremony. I would also like to extend my sincerest gratitude to everyone from the government of Thailand and the Thailand Board of Investment. In addition to those from Kuraray Company Limited and PTT Global Chemical Public Company Limited, without the efforts of whom we would not have been able to hold this ceremony today. We have a long history of conducting business in Thailand, over 60 years since we first established Sumitomo Corporation Thailand in Bangkok in 1960. At present, Sumitomo Corporation Thailand employs more than 200 people, and as the entire corporate group, we have about 20 firms in Thailand, from electronics, manufacturing, service business to TV shopping business. And in recent years, we have been actively challenging ourselves to infrastructure projects, including the Bangkok Red Line project and the power plant EPC project, and are doing everything we can to contribute to the economic development of Thailand. Meanwhile, we have come to build a very good business relationship over our long years of collaboration with our two great partners, Kuraray, who can boast a number of products with the most advanced technology and the largest market share in the world, and GC, who are not only the biggest integrated petrochemical manufacturer in Thailand, but also the most well-known from Asia. I believe that by commencing this joint venture together with two such strong partners, that we will be able to further strengthen our relationship, and Sumitomo is very glad to be a part of it. This joint venture is a business that will deal in high-value-added petrochemicals, will also help to realize the national economic strategy moved forward by the government of Thailand, namely Thailand 4.0, and is a business that can also contribute to the development of the Eastern Economic Corridor. Sumitomo intends to offer our full support, together with Kuraray and GC, to ensure the success of this joint venture. We look forward to the continued tremendous support of everyone here. Thank you very much.